Want to listen to YouTube with your screen off or phone in your pocket without YouTube Premium? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in less than 1 minute. Let's get into it. Step 1. Use a mobile browser. Opening browser on phone like Chrome or Firefox. Step 2. Enable desktop site. Now, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the browser and enable desktop site. Step 3. Go to YouTube website. Type in youtube.com. Step 4. Play your video. Now, find the video you want and hit play. Step 5. Lock the screen. When you lock your screen, the video will pause. Step 6. Use play button on lock screen. Just tap the play button in your notifications or lock screen and boom, your video resumes with the screen off. If this method doesn't work for you, don't worry, use the following method. Step 1. Open YouTube app or youtube.com on your browser and open the video you want to listen. Step 2. In the top right corner, tab on setting and click on lock screen option. Now, the screen is locked and you can put your phone in your pocket. If you want to unlock, tab on the screen and tab on tab to unlock. Thank you for watching.